Python process pool executor shutdown on Signal. I use supervisor to run some script like this. So when supervisor is stopped or interrupt, I try to gracefully exit from the script. This is my current code. This works fine, and now I am confused when I read about executor.shutdown wait equals true/false. So I tried that and I couldn't get the executor to shut down, it just hangs. Please help me out with these questions.
One. Apparently, shutdown stops all the existing messages being processed, but sys.exit just comes out. In the docs, this URL. 2. If somebody got stuck in the same place, use some global variable to signal shutdown.